was a season where I was not okay. And I don't mean that as being just overly dramatic or dramatic at all. I was functioning, but I was fragile. I shared parts of my healing journey last year, and I had no idea that when I started this journey that I would heal before the world. What I recognize is that I didn't peel back all the layers. And that's because healing isn't linear. And as you travel a road and you journey on that path, you stand in awareness of who you are and who you have become. In unpacking and sorting and throwing away the things that I needed to throw away, I gained tremendous clarity. And in that clarity came a deeper understanding that translated into new patterns and new habits that I needed, because the old ones no longer served me. So you may be in a season where you're thinking or you're feeling like, oh, this is something that used to really resonate with me and now it's not. And that's because you're standing in new you 2.0. And the things that satisfied you, resonated with you, things that were acceptable to you are no longer an option in this new woman that you continually are becoming each and every day. As this understanding of who I've become now equaled new habits that now connect with the new me. And in that place is where the real pivot takes place. And that pivot is the next level changes and this next level awareness that we now have, which is incredible. If your nervous system is tired, I need you to not blow up your life. We are in the season of building. I need you to build structure, which means establishing new habits for yourself and new routines. I need you to build calm around you, intentionally build calm and peace. And finally, I need you to build yourself. If you are quietly rebuilding, I need you to know this and I need you to hear me. You are not behind. You are not behind. You are becoming. And I celebrate every step that you're taking. I know it's hard. Healing is the hardest and the most incredible thing that we can do for ourselves. So I'm cheering you on.